Mr. Kant. President of the Yoga Association of Senegal, Mr. Yahya Hassan, and other teachers of yoga, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, students, bonjour, salam alaikum, namaste. It is indeed a great pleasure to welcome you all to celebrate the International Day of Yoga at this time, at this iconic venue. Thank you very much for being with us for this celebration. This year marks the 11th edition of the International Day of Yoga and is being celebrated in India as Yoga Mahotsav, or Grand Festival of Yoga. It is on 11th December 2014 that the United Nations General Assembly declared 21st of June as the International Day of Yoga. The declaration came at the behest of the Prime Minister of India, His Excellency Mr. Narendra Modi, during his address to the UN General Assembly on 27th September 2014, wherein he stated, "Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. It is not just about exercise, but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and nature," suggesting 21st of June, which is the summer solstice, as the International Day of Yoga. He said, "The date is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and has special significance in many parts of the world. This year's theme is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. The theme embodies a vision that champions a commitment to the well-being of all and universal fraternity. It also echoes the ancient Indian wisdom of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the whole earth is one family, symbolizing the principle of universal fraternity and sharing the fruits of progress collectively. Friends, we are in a constant endeavor to improve our health and wellness. The world is witnessing an ever-increasing prevalence of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes, heart ailments, arthritis, chronic inflammation, etc. Our lives are becoming ever more stressful, and we are all in search of achieving that perfect state of physical, mental, and spiritual balance. Yoga can be the answer to overcome the challenges of modern lifestyles and stress. The COVID pandemic highlighted the need for a robust and healthy body and mind, and yoga, with its breathing and meditation technique, is the perfect recipe for just that. This morning's yoga session will be led by experienced yoga practitioners from the Yoga Association of Senegal. In conclusion, I take this opportunity to encourage all of you to incorporate the practice of yoga in your day-to-day lives and realize its benefits. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Jerejef.
Merci beaucoup, Excellence, ambassadeur de l'Inde. Alors, je vais traduire son discours en français. Monsieur Yahya Hassan